Hi, my name is Anu. Today I am from Canada, so I wanted to educate some people regarding the yeah, the symbols which we get it on the labels, like how we should use that. So normally this is like machine wash. This symbol which is showing the tub, and which is showing the hand. This is hand wash, and which is showing the tub with the cross symbol, which is do not wash, and that is dry clean only with the symbol of circle. And when it is crossing the symbol of circle, this is showing do not dry clean. So basically, I wanted to educate because I am textile engineer and I wanted to educate the people how should we use the labels which is on the garments normally. So this machine wash symbol indicates it is safe to wash the garments in a machine using the temperature and cycle indicated by other symbols. And the hand wash. The hand wash laundry symbols means you should not wash the garment in a machine and instead wash it by hand. Typically, this symbol applies to delicate garments made from fabric like silk or linen. It may be safe to machine wash on a hand wash cycle setting if your machine has one, but care should be taken to protect the garment. You can also try putting the garment in a mesh bag or washing it alone to further protect that. If a garment is precious, vintage, or otherwise irreplaceable, take it to a professional cleaner. So do not wash. Garment or fabrics with this laundry symbol should not be washed in a machine or a tub, but should be taken to a professional dry cleaner when they become dirty. Like this is do not wash. Dry clean only. Dry clean only garments must be taken to the dry cleaner or removal of dirt and other stains. Do not dry clean. Clothing with the do not dry clean symbol should be washed using the gentlest setting on your washer. This will minimize agitation and potential damage to the fabric. You can also place inside a mesh bag or turn the garment inside out, running it on a short, delicate cycle to clean. So basically, this machine washing that comes with the temperature symbols. Like washing your clothes in a proper temperature water can affect how clean garments get during the wash, as well as control wear and tear on the fabric. Not all the fabrics are created equally, and some are more delicate than others. So, understanding your clothes washing symbols and the proper temperature water to use when washing your clothes will get them as clean as possible while also ensuring that they last longer. So this is machine wash cold at temperature between 65 and 85 Fahrenheit and washed warm of temperature of maximum 105 Fahrenheit and wash hot of temperature of maximum 120 Fahrenheit. So basically one dot is 65 around, second dot around 105, three dots are around 120. So we have to take care of these symbols, what that label is saying on the garment. Mostly we ignore that, but we should then we can take care of the garments. So once you have determined that our garment is safe for machine washing, and you know what temperature water to wash it in, it is time to decide on what wash cycles to use. While many modern washing machines come with a wide variety of cycle settings, the washing machine symbols are quite straightforward, represented by the wash tub icons with either 0, 1, or 2 lines underneath. Like this is when there is no line under the tub, so that is a normal cycle. When there is a one line on the tub, there is a permanent press cycle. And when there are two lines under the tub, that is showing gentle cycle. So the normals, what is normal cycle? This wash cycle symbol is simply a tub with the water in it and no lines underneath. It is reserved for stronger, more durable garments like t-shirts, socks, or jeans that can simply be tossed in and washed. These cycles typically provide more agitation and work harder to remove dirt and grime. Permanent press cycle. This wash cycle symbol is a tub with water and a single line underneath permanent press. Clothing is usually made from synthetic fibers like polyester, that are specially treated to guard against wrinkles. The permanent press cycle uses warmer water and slower spin cycle to release and reduce existing wrinkles. So delicate cycles. This wash cycle symbol in a tub with water and two lines underneath. These cycles are meant for more delicate garments that could be prone to damage and use low agitation, slow spin, and colder temperature water to wash clothes and protect fabric. Don't forget to look out for dry clean signs indicated by a circle and hand wash symbols indicated by a tub of water with a hand sign, so you will know when to avoid putting garments in the washing machine. So today we will discuss about and these are the drying symbols. Drying is as important part of the clothing care process, but we have all heard those scary stories of cashmere sweaters that come out of the wash three sizes too small. Knowing your clothing tag symbols like the square within a circle in the middle that indicates tumble drying allowed can help you avoid putting the wrong garments in the tumble dryer like this one. Other symbols can give you additional information such as a square with a horizontal line in the middle means you should dry and let them flat. Or the crossed out twisted symbol which tells you not to wring the garment. The temperature is given by increasing number of dots inside a circle. So general general drying symbols. This is a tumble drying allowed. Do not tumble dry. This is hang to dry. This is dry flat, and this is do not wring. So tumble drying allowed. Any garment with the tumble drying allowed symbol can go into your dryer. But pay special attention to any additional symbols that indicate appropriate heat settings or risk damage to your clothing. Do not tumble dry. This symbol, standard tumble dry symbols with an cross in that, means the garment should not be put into your dryer at all. Instead, opt to hang out this on clothesline or drying rack to dry. You could also put these garments through an extra spin cycle to remove as much excess water as possible before hanging to dry. Hang to dry. Items with hang to dry symbols should be put on a line to allow them to air dry. Be sure to hang in a shady area out of direct sunlight as the sunlight can introduce heat that could shrink or damage the garment while drying. Dry flat. Clothing with dry flat symbol should not be put into a tumble dryer or hung, but rather you should lay them flat on a drying rack with a soft towel like this one. Do not wring, represented by a twisted symbol with cross through it. Garments with this symbol should not be wrung to remove excess water, as this could damage or stretch the fabric. This one. So this is the basically drying temperature symbol. These are the tumble dry. This is low heat. This is medium heat. This is high heat, and this is no heat or air. So we can check in our dryer like which heat setting the garments are saying. So we should follow the instructions accordingly. So tumble dry laundry symbol, this is normal cycle, this is permanent cycle, and this is gentle cycle, as I have explained before also. So bleaching symbol, if you want to use bleach, you will want to look at your garment's fabric care label to see if there is a bleach symbol indicated by triangle, or more importantly, do not bleach symbol, which is a triangle crossed. Like this is bleaching allowed, this is do not bleach, and this is use only non-chlorine bleach. You have to check in the your garment, and for the ironing, this is the shape of the iron. So some this is shape of the iron as we can see. For example, if you want to iron your new dress shirt or you want to know if can be ironed safely, look for the iron symbol on your garment represented by a little iron symbol with dots in the middle that donate the temperature setting like those shown below. This is iron low, this is iron medium, this is iron high, this is do not iron, this is no steam added to iron. So this I got from Tide, but this is the general general north in general washing symbols in the North America, and we can follow these instructions so we can avoid the damage of our fabrics and the garments. If you have any question regarding this, please comment on that. I will definitely reply on that. Thank you.